Hi everyone, I'm Pam, and this is for Canva Creations with Pam. And let me see here. It on Wednesdays I usually do an app, so I felt like I'm gonna use an app that not a lot of people knew about when I shared it with the Clubhouse earlier this. I think it was last month I shared it. But there's a couple places that you can find it. So I just want to make sure that you guys know exactly where you can find it. So this is called the Image Upscaler. And no, it's not going to take place of, Topaz or whatever that one is, or Upscaler or anything like that. It allows you to fix dark, blurry, and oversaturated photos, just like what it's saying right here. It just enhances it a little bit. Now I'm getting into the routine of when I create products, um, even if they're just mock-ups, I just do the, just make sure that my images are crisper. I like to call them crisper. I don't know why. Okay, so it's called image enhancer on this page, but it's still the same app I'm going to show you in a second. But I just wanted to show you some things here. So upscale, you can see that, a little different here. And it allows you to upscale up to 8. Now, some of the images you won't be able to, they won't allow it for some reason, but it does go all the way up there. And it just polishes your photos a little bit. Um, and then these are other things that you can do. So this is a good little info that I will put in below the video. Okay, so I'm going to go to Canva Home. Actually, I already have. No, we're going to show. So it is an app. So you can go over here and go app. And when I say over here, my apologies. It is on the left-hand side. I'm on a desktop and it is under brand, so it's apps. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go enhancer just to see what comes up. Well, that didn't work, huh? Image upscaler. There we go. That's what I want, right? So there we go. There it is. And then I'm just going to click on it. And there is a video upscaler too, by the way. Okay, so here's what it says it does. Okay, so see how this is blurry and this is afterwards. So it increases the image resolution. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to design in a new design. Actually, no, we are just going to just new design is fine. We'll just look for Facebook. There we go. Okay. So that's one place. And then, so you can just click on it and do what I just did, right? Or, and then what you can do is, let me go back. I'm going to go pick a file. Let's see here. I was playing around with these ones just to get them a little bit. These are AI art that I first did, like when it first came out. I like them, but yeah, let me pick this. Let me pick this one. So, yeah, those are my first probably AI art. And I made quotes out of them. Okay, so let's go up to 4. So basically, what you're not going to see too much of a big difference. It's just going to enhance it a bit more. I, so let's go ahead and see what it does. So that is the after. This is the before. So there, I mean, like I said, you're not going to get too much of showing it, but it just adds a little bit of um, enhancement. Now let me grab let's upload. I just want to see the difference between the two. So if we can see the difference. I have a couple other images I want to show you too. Okay, so this is the older one. And let me blow that up a little bit. Okay. And then this, let's blow this one up a little bit too. Is the enhanced one. Okay, so let me do this again. Okay, so I already see a difference. I see it right here. So this is not as refined. And then when you go up to here, it is really refined in the face. Even the flowers are looking a little better. Okay, so this is something that I would put in my workflow now for products that I sell, like social images like this. I mean, I would rather give them this one, of course, than this one, right? So, yeah, okay. There you go. I knew it was great. I knew that I was using it. This just kind of really helped me go, yeah, I really need this. So if you create products in Canva, this is just one little thing that you can do. Now, when you go up here, you go to edit. This is another place. I'm just going to show you another area. So there's like 3 places where you can find this. So here, the floating menu up top, you just press edit. Okay, there we go. All this will, like the Magic Studio, filters, effects, and here are the apps, and it's right there, Image Upscaler. Okay, so it will do the same thing. If you grabbed it from the app on the front page, or you went to Canva's page dedicated to this. So I really want to tell you, let's go back here, just because I want to clarify something. Okay, so the image right here, that's what I'll be using. When it says page, it was so it says that you, okay, let me just show you because it's hard. Okay, so it says all pages, right? So it would be wonderful if we could do them all at one time, right? No, we can't. We can do one at a time. But let's see here. It won't do some things, and that's fine because this is the image is already. If this was like I had other things on it, I bet you, like if I'm just playing around, so don't think I would do this. Okay, now we would edit, go down here, pick page. Yeah, upscale entire page, and then continue. And then I just want one, and then done. Okay, and it only does PNG anyway, so you can do it like that. But what happens, and I'm going to show you right here, it does a whole nother image. I mean, so did the other one, but not so weird. Like I like just the image part of it, but I just need to show you so you'll see. Okay, so I'm going to add to design. And see, so it does that. Now, that's okay. And the other one does it kind of similar to this too, but it replaces it instead of just um, add add to it. So that's my only. So you do whatever works best for you, but this is pretty cool. Okay, it's called the Image Upscaler right here. Image Upscaler. Okay, all right. Have fun.